In a world of sound, one man revolutionized music forever. Meet James "Jimi" Marshall Hendrix, born November 27, 1942, in Seattle, Washington. Jimi's early life was marked by hardship and musical exploration. After serving in the U.S. Army, Jimi began his music career in the 60s. With the Jimi Hendrix Experience, he redefined rock music. His iconic performance at Monterey Pop Festival, 1967, sealed his legend. Jimi's innovative, experimental style and destruction of guitars stunned audiences. Collaborations with Eric Clapton, Buddy Miles, and others cemented his influence. Albums like Are You Experienced and Electric Ladyland remain timeless classics. Jimi's message of love, peace, and social change resonated with a generation. Tragically, Jimi's life ended on September 18, 1970, at just 27 years old. Yet, Jimi Hendrix's revolutionary spirit and music continue to inspire.
Jimi Hendrix, Forever in Sound.